banks and braes o bonny dun, how can ye bloom so fresh and fair? How can ye chant, ye little birds, and I so weary, full o' care? Thou break my heart, the warbling bird that wantons through the flower and thorn. Thou minds me departed joys, departed never to return. I've roved by bonny dun to see the rose and wood by twine, and ilka bird sang o' his love, and fondly say did I hear o' mine. I put a rose for sweet upon his thorny tree, and my false lover stole my rose, but he left the thorn with me.